Hi, I'm Dr. Hurram Shaukat Yousafzai. Today's video is about Boeing 777-240 extended range ER model Boeing 777 that was completely damaged by the negligence of PIA and the ASF Airport Security Force in March 2020. This aircraft, as you see it now, is registered as APBGL. This beautiful aircraft used to fly thousands and millions of people of Pakistan, and this was bought from PIA by the Pakistan International Airlines. This aircraft was used in anti-hijacking training by the Airport Security Force, and during that event, it completely damaged this aircraft by one of the truck hitting the hull of this aircraft and completely destroying it. So these are the documents of the APBGL. As you can see the list and the supplemental documents. The serial numbers was 33777 of APBGL, and it was a completely fit and airworthy aircraft. It was completely fit to fly countless hours, and it would have provided more service to the people of Pakistan for the next decade. But unfortunately, its life was cut short by the destruction of this aircraft, which is total and complete. And there is a loss of 320 million US dollars, which is equal to 50 billion Pakistani rupees. This aircraft, according to the documents, was airworthy till March 2020, and the documents were valid till 24 June 2020, as you can see. So these are the original documents I got to show you. The last flight was scheduled on March 2020, but its very last flight was on the 27th of February 2020, and these are the flights it had done, which was averaging about 70 per month, and the calendar starts from 2017 till 2020, as you can see. So here is the detail of the last flight, which was to be on the Thursday 27th of February 2020, and it flew from the city of Lahore towards the city of Karachi, where it landed, and it was subsequently destroyed after this last fateful flight. So as a result, the very last scheduled flight of the March 20th 2020 never happened, because the event was somewhere between the 27th of February 2020 and the March 20th 2020, as the evidence points towards this. So where this aircraft is now is a mystery, but on my investigations I found there was a court case number 67064 by PIA Captain Mumtaz Hussain against the Pakistan International Airline, the aviation division of the state of Pakistan. According to this case, which is fought by the lawyer Mr. Nabil, the aircraft is damaged beyond repair and unable to fly, and it is hidden by the Pakistan International Airline because it was hit by a truck, and it has requested the state of Pakistan and the Civil Aviation to conduct an inquiry into this matter.
थैंक यू सो मच जी, बहुत शुक्रिया आपका। एक्चुअली ये जहाज़ जो है पीआईए का, ये बोइंग 777-200 सीरीज़ का जहाज़ है, जिसका रजिस्ट्रेशन नंबर जो है APBGL है।
ठीक।
और ये जहाज़ जो है मार्केट में इस टाइम तकरीबन जो है 300 मिलियन यूएस डॉलर की कीमत है।
300 मिलियन यूएस डॉलर
इसकी कीमत है जहाज़ की।
अच्छा।
और ये जहाज़ जो है बिल्कुल एयरवर्थी था, बिल्कुल फिट था, और ये फरवरी 2020 तक इसने उस महीने में 70 फ़्लाइटें की हैं।
अच्छा
जी, जबकि रिकॉर्ड के मुताबिक मार्च 2020 में इसने टोटल एक फ़्लाइट की ऑपरेट की है।
ठीक।
और एज़ पर द इंफॉर्मेशन, मेरे जो क्लाइंट ने जो हमें इन्फॉर्मेशन प्रोवाइड की है, और जो उन्होंने लेटर भी लिखा पीआईए को, उसमें उन्होंने कहा कि जी आपने मार्च 2020 में इस जहाज़ को लॉ इन्फोर्समेंट एजेंसी के हैंड ओवर किया ताकि इसमें वो एंटी हाईजैकिंग की ट्रेनिंग कर सकें। और ड्यूरिंग दैट ट्रेनिंग उस जहाज़ को इतना नुकसान पहुंचा कि कंपनी को जहाज़ राइट ऑफ करना पड़ा।
राइट ऑफ करने का मतलब क्या है?
राइट ऑफ से उससे मुराद ये है कि जहाज़ अब नाकाबिल इस्तेमाल हो गया है, यानी अब जहाज़ खंडर बन गया है। अब
अच्छा।
जहाज़ को ना उड़ा सकते हैं, ना रिपेयर कर सकते हैं, ना मेंटेन कर सकते हैं।
अच्छा, ये 320 मिलियन यूएस डॉलर।
A senator took notice of this and he wrote a letter to the Committee on Aviation, whose head was Senator Hidayatullah Khan. He requested the senator who headed the Aviation Division Committee to look into this matter and to ascertain who caused the damage of 50 billion Pakistani rupees by destroying this aircraft. And according to this letter by Senator Dr. Afanullah Khan, this shameful event took place in March 2020, and a truck hit the aircraft, and because of hitting the aircraft the hull is damaged beyond repair, and it resulted in the loss to the taxpayers' money. Here is this aircraft standing in the Isfahani hangar of Pakistan International Airline at Karachi. As you can see, the aircraft is unworthy to fly and it is stored there, hidden from the public. And the Pakistani media for 1 year did not take notice of this event, and nobody has talked about it. The aircraft looks completely damaged and it seems it will never fly again. This is not the first time such shameful event took place because of the negligence of PIA managers and also the ASF Airport Security Force, because they did this deliberately, it seems, and they caused so much damage. And this is not the first time. Like in earlier, a Boeing 747-300 was similarly damaged on the ground by anti-hijacking training and subsequent attacks by the terrorists. And that aircraft now stands in the headquarters of the Rangers, and it has been converted into a restaurant where people who work in ASF dine in style like princes. You can see the interior of this aircraft. It is so much luxurious and it is being used. So the culprits for this heinous acts are of course, the Director General of ASF Airport Security Force and the Chief Executive of PIA, Mr. Arshad Malik. As you can see, Pakistan International Airline, Civil Aviation, and ASF, they all come under the Aviation Division. And the second last DG was Major General Zafrul Haq, who is a serving Major General from Pakistan Army. So this happened under him, as well as the Chief Executive of PIA, AVM Arshad Malik, both uniformed men. So it's right time to punish the culprits. I hope you subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. Thank you very much and take care. Goodbye.